being able to be accepted to a school like this one, to be able to attend a school like this one during a pandemic is really amazing. This is a rewarding experience for not only me, but for all of us. I've met my best friends in the past 14 weeks that we've been here already, and as hard as it is, I wouldn't rather be doing anything else.
Hello. As Dean of the School of Nursing at UT Health San Antonio, it is my honor to welcome you to this virtual celebration of your white coat ceremony. Today, you are taking part in a rite of passage that began in 1993 in Columbia University through the work of the Arnold P. Gold Foundation. The white coat ceremony emphasizes compassion and the human connection from the very beginning of clinical education. Today, nearly every medical school in America, as well as over 300 nursing schools and many other health profession schools around the globe, hold the white coat ceremony. You are now part of this tradition. The white coat ceremony was introduced as a School of Nursing tradition to provide an emphasis on our students' development as compassionate providers, coupled with a dedication to scientific inquiry, excellence, and lifelong learning. An endowment has been established by Mrs. Barbara Wolf, a dear friend of our School of Nursing and the former Nursing Advisory Council member. Her generous support ensures that the school will deliver white coat ceremonies in perpetuity. In addition to receiving your white coat, you will receive a Keeping Healthcare Human lapel pin that serves as a reminder to always treat your patients with dignity and respect. It will serve as an important and constant reminder of nursing's unique role in healthcare delivery. As our president of UT Health San Antonio, Dr. Henrich says, the white coat is bidirectional. It's an outward symbol to our patients of our professional status, and it reminds us when we put on the white coat to always put our patients' needs first. Our own needs, cares, are secondary. Incorporated in the oath that you will recite are elements that are unique to the mission and the vision of UT Health San Antonio School of Nursing. The vision of the School of Nursing is that we make lives better by promoting health as an act of social justice. As a Hispanic-serving institution, we know our rich diversity reflects our commitment to educate the next generation of compassionate, culturally proficient nursing professionals. Our graduates are prepared to address the healthcare disparities facing underserved populations in South Texas and throughout the world.
I'm in nursing school now with the rest of my classmates, helping patients, giving them a voice, advocating for them is all surreal.
Our mission is to develop diverse nurse leaders to improve health and healthcare through education, research, practice, and community engagement. We value innovation, diversity, and inclusion. The primacy of ethics and accountability in all of our actions and advocacy on behalf of our patients and communities, as well as synergy of working together. The recitation of this oath clarifies our expectations for the nurses we educate and the expectation that each of our graduates will continue to uphold the strong legacy nurses have established as society's most trusted profession.
I'm really honored to be part of this tradition and to be a part of the white coat ceremony. I think it encourages us to commit ourselves to our patients and the betterment of ourselves and our knowledge base.
As you recite the oath and move forward throughout your career, we ask that you often reflect on today as a pivotal moment in your professional development. You are dedicating yourself to 3 commitments. First, a lifelong pursuit of caring for patients with compassion. Second, a lifetime of seeking answers to difficult questions that will transform care. And third, providing a strong voice for the voiceless patients you serve. To the family members, friends, faculty, staff, and fellow students, we thank you for joining us in this journey. We are thankful for the support you will provide these students as they become contributing members of America's most trusted profession. Thank you and congratulations to our newest members of the nursing profession.
As a nurse dedicated to providing the highest quality care and services, I solemnly pledge that I will make lives better by promoting health as an act of social justice, act in a compassionate and trustworthy manner in all aspects of my care, apply my knowledge, experience, and skills to the best of my ability to ensure optimal outcomes for my patients, exercise sound professional judgment while abiding by legal and ethical requirements, accept a lifelong obligation to improve my professional knowledge and competence, promote, advocate for, and strive to protect the health, safety, and rights of my patients, commit to the generation and transmission of new knowledge to improve health and healthcare system. I vow on my honor as a member of the nursing profession to take ownership for my actions and to uphold the values of nursing and the American Nurse Association Code of Ethics. With this pledge, I accept the duties and the responsibilities that embody the nursing profession. I take this oath voluntarily and with full realization of the responsibility with which I am trusted by the public.
It is with great honor to welcome family members, friends, and faculty today as we celebrate the start of this new journey with our 5th semester nursing students. The School of Nursing White Coat Ceremony punctuates a very significant transition for the students here today. It marks the beginning of each student's new journey into their profession of nursing and being an integral part of the healthcare delivery team. For those that know me, I like tradition and sharing bits and pieces of historical events. As such, did you know the White Coat Ceremony originated in the University of Chicago's School of Medicine in 1989, but the first full-fledged ceremony was at the Columbia University College of Physicians and Surgeons in 1993. That year, Dr. Arnold P. Gold, a teacher and pediatric neurologist, created the first full-fledged white coat ceremony at Columbia University of College and Physicians and Surgeons. Since 1993, many of the health profession schools have held white coat ceremonies, which has symbolized a rite of passage into the health profession. The profession of nursing has held white coat ceremonies since 2014. The UT Health San Antonio School of Nursing conducted its first white coat ceremony in January 2019. We held a total of 4 ceremonies in one weekend in January 2019, pre-COVID-19 pandemic. What does the white coat ceremony mean to me? Wearing my white coat symbolizes my passion for what I do every day for every patient. Here's one thought I would like you to remember. If you do not love what you do, you will not do it with much conviction or passion. Passion is an enormously powerful force. Passion is an emotional word. Passion is a force that infuses our life with meaning, joy, and sometimes even anger. Passion catches our attention, brings commitment and determination, but one thing for sure, it causes us to act. Coupled with passion is dedication. Dedication is having the passion for certain things. Passion and dedication gives us the strength to get us through the hard times and setbacks. As we have all had to navigate our lives due to COVID-19, it brings a sense of comfort knowing that we will continue to stand strong and be steadfast in our passion in caring for patients, family members, and serving our community. I want to wish you the very best in everything you have already done and will do in all your future endeavors. There are a couple of verses from Florence Nightingale's pledge that I want you to embrace as you start your new journey. These are words that I want you to live by. I will do all in my power to make and maintain the highest standards and practices of my profession. I will zealously seek to nurse those that are ill, wherever they may be and whenever they are in need. I will be active in assisting others in safeguarding and promoting the health and happiness of mankind. I am wishing you continued success and all the best. Again, congratulations on donning your white coat and entering the health profession of nursing.
For fifth semester this semester, while we're going through pandemic, it was very hard for, most of the time teaching didactic, you feel like you're teaching your computer screen. That's what I tell my students. But it gets better because you are learning. Sometimes I feel like pandemic made us learn more or become more, just learn different different teaching strategies to teach our students. So now we know how to incorporate different teaching styles into our teaching. So that's the fun part. And we know how to encourage our students to be more creative and participate in class. So these are some of the strategies I used in my class when I teach. So thank you.
The white coat ceremony, listening to them recite their oath, listening to them talk about compassion is so meaningful. One of my favorite parts of the white coat, though, is that it's a reminder that they've entered a profession of lifelong learning. This isn't it. They've learned so much this semester in theory, and they've learned new skills that they're going to use again and again. But this truly is only the beginning, not only in academics, but it's only the beginning of their career. And I just hope that they always remember to take that spirit with them.
Hi, it's a real great opportunity to be faculty working with these students in the white coat tradition. Downstairs, you can see I'm the director for the CSI, so I see them in simulation, and I also have an opportunity to teach them synchronous online. But when you see them face to face in the CSI, after they went through the white coat ceremony, it's interesting to hear the side conversations, because they're sharing stories, what brought them to nursing and why the white coat literally for them is so valuable of an experience. It seems like a small trinket, but the impact is pretty amazing when you hear the students in their side discussions. And they, even walking out of here, you can see that their spines are more erect, and there's a sense of pride and I think ownership of the profession. And it is a nice opportunity for all of us that wear coats already as professionals to welcome them aboard. And it reminds us also that we're paying it forward to the profession, and it just creates a wonderful community. So it's a real honor to be part of this white coat ceremony.